Hello friends, now we have to see elimination method. So in elimination method we have to eliminate one variable from the equation and then we have to make a new equation for one variable. Like as we have a general equation, as we have two equation a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x b2y and c2 equal to 0. So now we have to eliminate one variable. We can eliminate x or we can eliminate y. So first of all, to eliminate x we have to make equal these two, and then we have to subtract these two equations, so they will be cancelled out and we got a equation of one variable only. Or we can eliminate y, so we can get one variable equation of x. So now we can take two equation and I'm solving them. So two equation are x plus y equal to 5 and x minus 3y equal to 4. Now first of all we have to, if we are eliminating x, so step for eliminating x, for elimination method we have to eliminate x from these two equation anyhow. So here the first x and second x1 and x2 both are equal. So now we can easily cancel out by subtracting first equation by second equation or second equation by first equation. So now we are subtracting second equation from first equation. So now multiplied by minus, so there will be a sign change, and x is cancelled out by x, and now plus y and plus 3y, so y plus 3y equal to 5 minus 4. So this is 4y equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and y equal to 1y 4, y equal to 1/4. Now to calculate x we have to put this y in equation first or second, so we are putting in first. So now x plus y equal to 5, this is our equation first, and now we are putting the value of y is 1/4 equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus 1/4, x equal to 5 4 ja 20 minus 1/4, x equal to 19/4. So this is our x and this is our y. So this is how we calculated x and y if we eliminate x. Now steps for eliminating y. As we see, these are our two equation, so now we have to eliminate y. So first of all we have to make y in both equation equal. So now we have to multiply constant term of y from equation 2 to equation 1, and constant term of y which is 1 of equation 1 to equation 2. So now we multiply equation 1y minus 3 and equation 2y 1. Equation 1y minus 3 because there is minus 3 in neighbor of y. So we take minus 3 and multiplied by this, and the constant term of y in equation first is 1. So now we multiplied by equation second by 1. Now we multiply equation 1 by minus 3 and equation second by 1. So we can write it like this, and now I have to solve this. So minus 3x minus 3y minus 15, and this will be x minus 3y equal to 4. Now if we solve these, now we can add these two, and if we subtract these two, then we get these cancel out and we have only one variable x. So now subtracting, we have to change the sign of the second equation and then add. So now we are changing the sign. So this will be minus, this will be plus, and this will be minus. So minus 3x and minus x equal to minus 4x. This will be minus and plus got cancelled out, and minus 15 and minus 4 is minus 19. As you see, x equal to minus 19 upon minus 4, and minus cancelled out both sides. So x is equal to 19 by 4. So you can see here x is 19 by 4 and here x is 19 by 4. So you can solve with any of the method and your answer will be the same. Thank you guys.